Hotel sa Danang for as low as 1,800 pesos per night, I got you. We recently stayed at Center Hotel in Danang, located right in the city center. 12 minutes lang yung layo nito from the airport, tapos walking distance lang to Han Market kung saan kayo pwedeng makabili ng pasalubong. Then Sontra Night Market where you can eat authentic Vietnamese dishes, and Dragon Bridge where you can watch the fire show for free. We booked a superior family room through Agoda and room rates start at 1,200 pesos pero 1,800 per night yung binook namin for 4 packs. You can use my Agoda code na Karen Agoda to get an extra discount. Malinis and spacious ang room, kitang-kita nyo naman ang lawak, pwede nyong ilatag ang mga maleta, complete ang amenities like the usual coffee, tea, ref, may TV, may cabinet kung saan nyo pwedeng i-store yung gamit nyo. Yung bathroom, merong pa bathtub, may bidet, may free toiletries like toothbrush, shampoo, body wash, even suklay. Walang included na breakfast pero no problem. Ang daming local food spots around or pwede ka umorder sa GrabFood. If you want a comfy, affordable, and city central stay in Danang, Center Hotel is a solid choice. Thank you for watching and let me know kung may questions kayo.